Hello guys, my name is Nofil and I'm here to guide you about some Unity 3D game development. In my previous tutorials I guide you about some basics of Unity 3D software and how to create a new project and some basics of this software. But in this tutorial I'll guide you about a 2D game. How to build a 2D game in Unity software. This tutorial based on 2D game. What the game is? The game is ball and brick. First of all, this lecture is for absolute beginners. If you don't use Unity before, after this lecture you are able to build a environment and some know-how of this Unity, and after this series of tutorial you are able to develop your own 3D game. Well, in this lecture, first of all we have to design a 2D environment. What 2D environment is? Whenever you are working professional, so you are developing a game, you should manage your Unity view, your setting in such a way that you can see scene view and game view both at a time. I had to disturb a lot Unity software. Just drag this hierarchy part. This hierarchy is shown in this part. I have dragged this from here. Simple. It's not so much difficult as it looks. So you can say, what the hell is software is this? It is different from other softwares. No. You click here, right here, hierarchy, and put wherever you want. I have put here. I put it here. I have described what hierarchy is in my previous tutorial. This is the environment that you can see a game view and scene view both at a time. Second thing, the main thing, the difference between 2D sprites and textures. Whenever you are developing a 3D game, you will use textures, and whenever you are developing a 2D game, then you will use 2D sprites. So these are free of cost and Google. I'll create a new folder here which will be named as sprites. Yes, and then drag some of my sprites here. Simply drag and drop all these sprites here. It will take some time. Yes, it's done. Yes. Next step, you have to do this by clicking all these sprites, then click on this texture type. As this is shown texture, I have described just before that texture are used in 3D games, but we are developing right now 2D game. So click on this default and then click on this sprite 2D and then apply. It's very simple. You can see after building, here is a symbol, new symbol of just a button like play. Right now I will click this 2D. Now it's a start for my 2D game. First of all, I will drag this sprite here in hierarchy. Oh my god, what's this? Oh, sorry. I have selected all these. I'm just sorry. I'm just sorry. You have select one and then drag into this part. Look, it is shown in your game view too. You aren't play right now, but you can say this. Now manage its settings. Now manage its settings as you want, because your game view is also right now. You can see it. I think I should expand it some to, yes, it's like my mobile screen, this screen in which my game is playing. It's like this. Now, yes, whatever you are doing in this scene window, it doesn't matter, but the fact is what is shown in this game view. I manage this just like this. Yes, and now rename it in the hierarchy ground. Yes, ground. Yes, it's yes. Now click on it and press Ctrl plus D for duplicate and name it first wall. Now click it, make it open. The ground remains on that position where you fixed, but now you have clicked wall and moving this, so wall is moving. I should change its position so it's look like a wall. Maybe I rotate it to 90 degrees. Oh no, not along y-axis, maybe along z-axis. 90, yes, 90. Now you will manage it according to your game view. Yes, here we go. Yes. Now click it again and press Ctrl plus D and rename it second wall. Yes, I'm going to work on second wall, so I should click the second wall here. Yes, here we go. I have to rotate it at 270 degrees. Yes, here we go. Yeah, there we are, 70 degrees. And where is the roof view? You can see where is the ceiling wall. Almost we go to the ceiling wall. Okay, here are the walls, and again click it and press Ctrl plus D. Now name it ceiling wall, maybe. And then enter. Now click it. One thing you should be very careful, everything you are doing this should be inside this scene window. Change its angle along 90 degrees. No. Here 150. Yes, there we go. and then manage it according to your ceilings. Yes, there we go. You can see that it will be very congested. It will give a congested view when you are working in scene, but it should be very clear in this game view, because the game is what everyone is watching, not that scene. Scene window is only for developers. Not everyone is the developer. Everyone is must be a player, but not a developer. Yes. The other thing is sky sprite. Now we click this sky sprite and then drag into this. Oh wow, everything is vanished. Now be careful. Order. Here in the inspector part you can see this thing is written order in layer. If you not mention the order means there's order, increasing order, in which just like a family there is a big brother, then younger, then younger, just like this order in layer. You will write here order minus 1. Yes, it will go to the backward, and we check the orders of other my components present in hierarchy. These are all 0. These are equal in order 0, but sky sprite, I will rename it my background. Just press enter. Whenever I will click to my background, I'll see it's order minus 1, then 0 comes. I think you know maths too. In our integers line, in our line, number line, mathematics, numbers minus values comes before positive and 0, so its order is minus 1. Now we'll say this our view. Yes, you can see this. And other thing is what our blank sprite. Other thing we have to do this is this our blank sprite. I'll drag it here. Yes, I'll rename it paddle. Also make it bigger. Yes, some bigger. Oh, I 2. I'll make it bigger from here to there we go. Yes, and then one thing I think I will miss here. Don't forget, I think that's enough for first tutorial of ball and brick. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In my next tutorial there will be some interesting. I'll check this. Yes, difference between 2D and sprites and textures I have guided. Drag and drop some 2D sprites. Yes, create a ball, paddle, walls and background. One thing, ball is missing. Yes, so I will erase this ball. Yes, every other thing, paddle, walls and background. Yes, I'll check that. Paddle, walls and background. Yes, that's for my first tutorial, end of my first tutorial of ball and brick crane. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. You will learn a lot more from this channel. Things from mathematics theorems, you will also get that, and share it with your friends. Thank you.